Kalau Kotkhubor ke basngok tu nan bani iba pun kita nong song snong ki bayang lagi jong ki kejan klam da pensawa ye ki kam bagi trei hakini Snem bat pau Snem baladem kini baro ki la pau pertai hakani kesngi baka Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong kala penkub barom kerpang ye ki hakani kesngi thodi nagabiyo khusnam baro dei tang uba David Carson tiu ubala pau ku Khasi Nyngkong bani Kotkhubor ha Meghalaya uti urang ba ubadan menta prapun riew Snem karta ula di Kotkhubor lasan pun riew Snem menta badia kani ke khusnam jong u lapdeng borom deki argut ki khon jong u kiwi pat ki kynhup yo uba George Singkhongji nongringam nang ta Kalina Dance Academy batru uba markan siding do nongsynshar ye ki tiar pot tiartem yakni baro la penkub borom do kongsan Dr. BK Solia Baderu Director kan Meghalaya Entrepreneurship
The vocational award ro ka paidbah kumno ngi kyntuh bat ngi ken buram ya ka wai ka jat kam ka ba ngi trei kumbang ong meneh ka phareng ka jing trei ka la ban long haki kardan ki ba he hadu kata bat ki la ro ban long ba ki jing trei ki long tang si spa tang ka si sngi ndrei kumno padengi pendon buram ya kata ka kam ka bangi trei ya ka ne ka Rotary Club ka itu nang kata daw mdei tangka club tungi kaba le yaganega award today all the club in the world which we have millions of clubs in the world which belong to the Rotary International on this very month all the clubs in the world they would acknowledge some vocation or some people belonging to different vocations to recognize them and to say yes we are good.
And when I first started and took over the Institute of Enterprise, it was started at that point of time, a lot of people told me, are you crazy? I mean, what is enterprise? It will never work. I remember around 15, 20 years back, people also told me about another project which I ran. They said that it will never work. But today, Meghalaya is the number 6 producer of strawberries and flowers in the country. They said it would not work. When the Institute of Enterprise was started, people also said that it will not work. Our people are not enterprising. Our people are lazy. Our people only look for freebies, for schemes. We actually faced those same questions in the first 2 years. But today we have people like Bahongji, Lena Dance Academy. We have a craftsman who makes musical instruments. We have Khasi, who 56 years was an entrepreneur. But we did not recognize him as an entrepreneur. See, the definition of entrepreneur was defined by economists to be, the people who took risks, who had the ability to take risks, who saw opportunity, who grabbed the opportunity, people who were able to, to mobilize resources, to network.